Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Esther once again, inviting you to join me in the next episode that I'm going to discuss. This one is about juicing, guys, and the main purpose for choosing this one is for reduction of uric acid. So the main fruits and vegetables that is included in this juice is pineapple and celery. So the purpose again is for the reduction of uric acid, guys. This is good in reduction of uric acid because um, pineapple has fiber and micronutrients that will help reduce uric acid together with the celery. So I only added here, guys, cucumber, apple, and lemon. Plus, I will also add the sweetener, which is honey, later on. So stay with me, guys. We're going to make juice for our health. So juice for health. That's the main purpose. So reduction of uric acid and to have good health. So we are going to consume juice to achieve good health. So the first one, guys, is to clean thoroughly this celery. So I bought this one this morning in the market, and the price is high, but for juicing I really bought this one because I want to have juice for my son. So wash thoroughly. I think we are going to cut it in there. So wash thoroughly the leaves and the stems. Next is for the apple also. Cucumber and for the pineapple, guys, I already have that one pre-sliced in the supermarket. So I don't want to slice it and cut it myself. So I have it sliced in the supermarket this morning. So it's still fresh because after slicing, I place it directly in the refrigerator. Next thing that we're going to do is to slice the celery and peel the cucumber and slice it also, and also with the apple. So we're going to do it, guys. All of this will be placed in the juicer. Slice also the apple. Slice also the cucumber. The purpose, guys, is simply to place it in the juicer. You cannot place it all in the juicer with this one, so you have to slice it to fit in the vegetables can fit in the small, I don't know what it is called. So I have here the cucumber and apple. I have the lemon. I have the celery, which is very important. This one is rich in phytonutrients and other nutritional value that can help in reducing the uric acid. This one is rich in fiber and vitamin C that can also help reduce inflammation of your kidneys, of your liver, and whatever is needed to cleanse and detoxify the liver and the kidneys. Okay, we will start juicing, guys. It's finished, guys. I finished juicing. So you can see there the juice at the bottom. So for if you are going to choose uh, the pulp, which is at the right side, separates with the juice. So which is good. Unlike in blending wherein the pulp and the juice will be in one, will be together. So we're going to add now the apple, lemon and the sweetener, which is honey. Okay, I'll add now. This is the juice already from the juicer. So I will add the extracted lemon, all of it. And after that, stir it. I will also add the sweetener, although I think it's already sweet, but I will add a little of honey. This is honey, guys, longness. And it's pure honey daw, longness. So I bought the honey from Mercury. It's that bigger container. It cost me 236 for the honey alone, for the honey. But even though it's that amount, if you're going to buy this one from from the designated mga outlets, this is very expensive. So it's better to make your own. Pineapple and celery juice mixed with honey, lemon, and cucumber. So it looks so nutritious, yummy, delicious juice. So I will divide this one, guys. Of course, the one that is consuming this one is my boy. That's for my boy. And this one, the smaller one is for me. That's the honey that I bought. This is now the juice. I'll taste it first. So sarap. So yummy with the honey. So you add honey, guys, for sweetener. It's so yummy. So this is pineapple celery juice for reducing uric acid. So thank you for tuning in, guys. If you're new to my channel, please click like. Consider subscribing by clicking like, adding your comments, clicking the subscribe button, and then clicking the share button. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be updated in my upcoming videos. Thanks again. God bless.